Hello, good afternoon. This is your News 4 Now update. I'm Kay Ingram. Now, if you're gearing up to hit the road to spend the holiday with the fam, travel is already underway, and the travel period has already started since COVID. Now, travel book app Hopper says travel booking is already up 6%, and travel experts say the largest surge of travelers at airports is happening right now. News 4's Tracy Strahan is live at Newark Airport with the crowds.
We're already talking about the Thanksgiving travel rush. The FAA says today is actually the busiest day for air travel. Now, according to the TSA, since last Thursday, more than 2 million people per day have passed through security checkpoints. And of course, that number steadily increased over the weekend. Now, this holiday travel stretch comes after a summer season that was a little rocky. We saw a spike in canceled flights and lengthy delays for passengers. The Federal Transportation Department fined half a dozen airlines, securing $600 million in refunds for passengers. 4.5 million people are expected to take to the air for the Thanksgiving travel season. Sunday is going to be the busiest day. That's the very latest from Newark Liberty Airport. We'll send it back to you.
All right, thanks, Tracy. And happening now, New Jersey Transit is offering more service on the roads and rails to get you where you need to go for Thanksgiving. It's called Early Getaway Service, and it starts tomorrow night at 7. That means extra trains and buses will be running. Also, NJ Transit will allow 2 children, 11 years old and younger, to travel for free with an adult. Now, in other news, Mayor Adams has signed 2 bills into law designed to help victims of domestic violence. The first establishes a housing program for survivors and domestic and gender-based violence. The other requires the city's office to end domestic gender-based violence to create an online services portal and guide. Now, in 2021, there were 260,000 domestic violence incident reports filed by the NYPD. That's an average of 700 a day. Now, new video shows the quick action of some New Jersey police officers rushing in to save an unconscious driver and prevent tragedy. That's right. Here, you're looking at body cam video out of South Brunswick. Police say they saw this car traveling very slowly on Route 522. Officers realized the driver behind the wheel is unconscious. They eventually blocked the car, smashed the window, and got the driver out before crashing. The 28-year-old driver was arrested and charged with a DWI. Next, police are investigating an accident where a car ended up in the waters off of Long Island. It happened just before 7 o'clock this morning in Bayshore at the end of the Maple Avenue Pier. The car was still in a few feet of water just off the pier when Chopper 4 was overhead. So far, there's no word from police about how many people may have been in the car or what happened to them. Now, we've been telling you about stores gearing up for Black Friday, but in New Jersey, dispensaries are gearing up for the state's first Green Wednesday. That's where people hit up many recreational marijuana dispensaries, which offer deep discounts, and many customers make marijuana-infused Thanksgiving dishes. The trend started back in 2016 in California. All right, with the holidays around the corner, the New York Public Library is unveiling its best books of 2022. The list is picked by expert librarians and staff across the city, hoping to inspire readers. Now, among the top books for children are Nothing Special and Beauty Woke. I Rise and Messy Roots, a graphic memoir of a Wuhanese American, made the top 10 for teens. And The Genesis of Misery and Nettle and Bone are among the top 10 for adults.
And Kay, we're finally starting to warm things up out there. Lots of sunshine right now. Beautiful travel weather, by the way, if you're getting a jump on the holiday travel. Smooth sailing for today, up to 47 degrees. That's a big improvement. We can finally start to lose a couple of those layers, but you need the layers back on tonight. It's another cold night ahead, down to 34 in the city, 20s north and west of town. So those cold nights continue, even though day by day we're getting warmer. Holiday travel forecast for your big getaway Wednesday. Looking good at almost all the major airports. Nice conditions, and notice that 53 degrees here in New York City. Yeah, the warming trend continues in full effect. And for Thanksgiving Thursday, looking great for the parade. Light winds, meaning the balloons can fly high, and a high temperature of 50 degrees. Chilly in the morning, comfy cool in the afternoon. You can see in our exclusive 10-day forecast, we are tracking some showers for Black Friday. Showers there and a high temperature in the 50s, and another round of rain possible on Sunday, but we stay dry for that part of the weekend on Saturday with a high temperature in the low 50s. That's your 10-day forecast. Kay, back to you.
All right, Raphael, thanks so much. And to you, safe travels. That's it for now. I'm Kay Ingram.